So behind you is this part of a tree, still there.
Yes.
That's the tree that Ameren said it wanted to cut down.
Yeah. That's correct.
And over here is a second tree you asked if they would cut down because it was hanging over some of the wires here.
That is correct.
So Ameren trimmed this tree that's still there, and they cut down the second tree, but they left all of the limbs and whatnot behind.
Yes, they did.
You didn't expect all this stuff to be left behind.
Oh my goodness. This has been so overwhelming to me. You have no idea the devastation of this mess.
Well, the stuff behind you is mostly the limbs from the tree Ameren wanted to trim, correct?
Exactly.
And that's the part you're wondering why that wasn't taken away.
Exactly.
And it's just sitting there.
Exactly.
That's a lot of tree.